A router lift is a great upgrade to your router table. Rockler's award-winning Pro Lift is an upgrade to the upgrade, with 2 patent-pending innovations that enable you to change bits faster than ever. The patent-pending snap lock mechanism lets you pop out the durable aluminum insert ring with the push of a button, providing quicker access to your router's collet. You don't need any tools to remove the insert, and there are no screws to keep track of. When you're done changing the bit, the insert ring snaps securely back in place, and you're locked and ready. Under the table, the ProLift's 2-speed gearbox makes adjusting the bit height quicker without sacrificing precision. The patent-pending quick gear dial enables you to raise and lower the bit 4 times faster than a typical router lift, so it's great for coarser adjustments or to bring the bit up to be changed. The fine adjustment dial can be zeroed out, and with the smooth direct drive mechanism and incremental markings, you can sneak up on the precise setting for perfect cuts. And once you're there, the ProLift's patented threaded bushing holds the setting without the need for a separate locking dial, so you can get right to work. The ProLift has a 3/8 inch thick machined aluminum plate, and it's available in 2 sizes to fit Rockler as well as other common router table openings. The aluminum housing is sized to fit 4.2 inch diameter router bodies, like those of Porter Cable's 3¼ horsepower routers, but adapter collars are available separately to fit most other common routers. If you're looking for a router lift that's built to hold up under daily use, check out the award-winning Rockler Pro Lift. Just go to your local Rockler retailer or rockler.com. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware.
From the Induction Innovations team, who brought you the Mini-Ductor product line you've come to know and trust, introducing the 4th generation in the handheld induction, the Mini-Ductor Venom HP. With a whopping 1800 watts, it's the highest powered Mini-Ductor on the market and can heat larger metal components faster than ever before. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP offers precise and manageable heat, getting the job done while avoiding the dangers of an open flame. Use it to remove decals, frozen nuts, bolts, bearings, lug nuts, and even O2 sensors. Coils lock in with a quick twist and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and gauges, so you always have the right fit for the job. The Mini-Ductor Venom HP's ergonomic angle design allows you to get into those tight spaces, and the user-controlled LED switch allows you to easily shed some light on your work. If you work in auto, marine, or agriculture machine maintenance, you need Induction Innovations Mini-Ductor Venom HP in your tool arsenal.